Hello to everybody, our dear friends. Today is 28th of September 2018, closing of the week, Friday. The week was really very interesting. The hike from the Fed, political pressure in Italy. All in all, the situation now is a little bit calmed down in the financial markets. As you could see, after initial negative reaction of the market community to the latest news coming from Italy, as you know, Italian budget deficit was shifted from the level of 1.9% finally the end to the level of 2.4%, and of course it should not bode well for the euro currency and for the euro financial system as a whole. Despite of this negative news, the market is back to their, let's say, a fundamental background of nowadays, and this background is covered in the dollar story, in the dollar bullish story, because as you could see, the Fed still inside of its path of gradually raising its benchmark interest rate. All in all, the situation now seems a little bit brighter for the year of 2019, and from that point of view the dollar should remain buoyant at the moment, both from technical or fundamental point of view. Let's see the charts in the for example, let's start from the euro dollar. The euro dollar, after initial reaction of yesterday, continue to fall, and now, while below its current downtrend, uptrend of 2018, that was broken yesterday below 116.90. While below this level, we should suggest that probably the euro dollar could extend its recent weakness, and in that case, probably in extreme case, let's say so, we could even retest the formidable support that lies against the level of 115.30. All in all, we suggest to step aside at the moment from any kind of fresh long positions in the euro dollar. We will wait for the possible retest of the level of 115. But of course, in any kind of changes, fundamental changes in the market, we will be ready to reconsider the situation, to review the situation, and to react to the situation by fresh positions. As regarding some other pairs, probably it's interesting to see the euro yen and euro Swiss, and it's really very surprising, for example, in the case of the euro yen, which after initial negative reaction to the news from Italy now is back to 132.20 level, focusing attention to its current top that formed around 133.10. All in all, from technical point of view, the pair should remain buoyant while trading above the level of 130.25, where lies a current uptrend line. Fresh buying in the currency should already wait for it on a possible retest of the level of 200 moving average, a line that's located around 131.02. That's why we suggest to start buying the currency in case of a dip to the level of 131.20 with a stop below aforementioned uptrend line. As regarding the euro Swiss, here really the situation is really very interesting, because despite of the initial negative reaction from yesterday to the lows of 130.13, let's say 113.10, 11, and the pair after that made a real comeback by one figure, and we even tried to penetrate the existing downtrend line in the pair that was located around 114 level. Anyway, at the moment this seemed like a false break, because the pair is still trading below this level around 113.70. All in all, we suggest that any kind of weakness in the pair to the formidable support located around 112 should be used as a buying opportunity. At the moment, that's all. And we'd like to caution you against over-positioning, let's say so, over-positioning in the United States dollar, because of course the recent sentiment is really very bullish, but longer term perspective, as suggests our team, is not so positive for the United States currency, and we could see already some turnaround in the price, some stopping in the current bullishness of the United States dollar already beginning of next week. Thank you very much. We wish you a pleasant and profitable closing of the week, as well as a pleasant weekend for all of you, dear friends, and also for the members of your families. Bye bye for now. It was your FutureTrend channel.